Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up your LEDGER Nano X without the PC app. Since this device can be set up either with or without the PC app, I'm gonna show you how to set it up without that, but of course there will be also videos on how to set it up with the PC app, as well as if it supports a smartphone setup, a mobile device setup, then I'm also gonna record this, but I don't know that yet. So let's begin by opening the device. Then I'll need to plug it into power because I don't really know if it works without the power. But yeah, it may be discharged or just not work without power, and that's also fine. And here's the right and left button, so I'm gonna be clicking on the right one. Then you can download LEDGER Live at ledger.com/start. Then use the buttons to navigate menus and lists. Press both buttons to select. Hold both buttons and at any time to go to Control Center to power off and more. Then start LEDGER Live for help during setup. And now you can set up as new device or restore from a recovery phrase. And for restoring from a recovery phrase, there will be a video on it on the channel if you don't really understand what a recovery phrase is. So here I have set up as new device, and I'm gonna be clicking on two buttons at once. Then choose a pin. Let's approve with two buttons. Now use the right or left button to change the number, the first number. I'm gonna set it to something simple, but of course set it to something more complicated. Now if you want to delete the digit that you've typed in, you just need to go below 0 and you'll have the delete option. Now I'm gonna set it as 2, then here as 3, and here as 4. Now you can approve it or add an additional digits, of course. I'm gonna approve it, then confirm it. Now let's confirm, and you'll need to write down your recovery phrase, and don't share it with anyone. Write it down on a piece of paper. Don't take a picture of it, especially with a device that has or will have internet access at any point. And also don't do it in a room with cameras. Just make it as confidential as it can be, and never lose your recovery phrase, because that will make you lose your money in case anything happens to your ledger. I'm gonna press on two buttons and I will see my recovery phrase, but I will show you the recovery phrase only because I won't be transferring any money on the wallet here. But otherwise it should not be shared with anyone. Let's go further. Press both buttons to continue, and now I'll need to write down all of these words, so I'll just take a video of it with my phone, I think. And you shouldn't, of course, you should write it down on a piece of paper, but as I said, I won't be transferring any money here. And just go through all of these words and write them down. Now let's press both buttons to continue, and you'll need to verify them. So let's press on two buttons, and now select which word was the first one. So you'll need to actually read that. I don't really know. I think it was federal, but you can, yeah, it was. I've checked it. So you can just go right or left to select the correct word. That was the first one, and press on two buttons to confirm it. And I'll get back to when I have it all set. And now let's approve the last word. Let's continue. Now it's processing. And my device is ready. Let's go further, go to the dashboard, and now you can install apps or go to Control Center. But basically going into that tells me that to go into it, I'll need to just press and hold both buttons at once at any time. And now you have different settings here. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.